In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Monday.com. Whether you're looking to switch for clarity, to better align with your team's needs, or simply for personal preference, changing the language is quick and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Monday.com dashboard. Begin by opening your web browser and go to your Monday.com homepage. This is the hub of all your activities, usually where you land after logging in. Here, you'll find all your boards, tasks, and updates. When you're there, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. Familiarity with your dashboard will enhance this and future experiences. Now turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon located here. This is typically represented by your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, it'll be a default avatar. Clicking this icon will unveil a drop-down menu, your gateway to various settings and options. In this drop-down menu, look for the My Profile option and click on it. This action brings you to a more personalized space of your account, displaying details and settings personal to you. As you navigate through your profile settings, you'll find you have the flexibility to customize many aspects of your account, making it truly reflect your working style and preferences. Next, you'll want to locate language and region from the options on the left side of the page. Clicking on this brings you to a dedicated section where you can make adjustments based on your language and regional needs. This area is designed to help Monday.com serve you best, with options tailored for your location and language preferences. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your desired language. You'll see a list of languages Monday.com supports, and from here, you can select the language that suits you best. Whether you are switching to a language more commonly used in your office or just wish to navigate the platform in your native tongue, this option offers considerable flexibility. After making your selection, confirm any prompts to save your choices. The platform should automatically refresh to display your chosen language. Take a moment to explore and ensure everything is displayed as expected. If necessary, you can make further adjustments at any time by following these same steps. And there you have it, a seamless process to changing the language on Monday.com. This small tweak can make a significant difference in your day-to-day interactions on the platform, offering enhanced understanding and a more personalized experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you need more tips or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or explore more of our instructional content. Happy working!